Alright guys, welcome back. The only things that you're going to need is going to be an 8 socket, 8 millimeters, a Phillips screw, and just something to take some clips out. Let's get to it. There's only a few things that you have to do. You have to take, first and foremost, there is 3 or 4 screws down here right underneath the door right there. You can take them out with either a Phillips, or in this case I'm using a ratchet with an 8 millimeter. Then you have 2 of these clips right here that all you have to do is just press them and then they come out. And then you have to take out this part, this panel of the door, and then you see that screw right there. That's gonna come out along with 2 clips right over here. 1 clip at the front right there, and other than that it's just popping out. So right underneath this thing right here, you have to lift it up, and then you'll see that you have 1 screw right here. Then you have 1, 2. We'll go ahead and do that. 8 millimeter socket right in it. Off it comes.
Okay.
And there it moves like that. You can also use a Phillips. That's the nice thing about these. They're both like that. And then comes out easy. Repeat the process. Okay, so it's gonna be these, the ones that you're gonna take off. These work very easily. You're gonna grab your favorite tool. First thing you're gonna do is, with a screwdriver, you wanna just push it like this. So in. Once you have it like that, it should come out very easy with this. Very nice. You see that? That's it. So you're gonna have 1, 2, and 1 at the front over here on this other side. Right there. Okay, so with your favorite tool, next thing we're gonna take off is this guy. All you have to do is you gotta press at the front, and there's a clip, and it'll come out just like that. When you do that, you just have to disconnect this cable right here. Just put it to the side. And so now the one that you have to do is you gotta get a Phillips. You see this bolt right there? Now you can either do it with a Phillips screwdriver. In this case, that came out easy. Otherwise, you can also use a 10 millimeter for this one. Don't lose it. And now the last thing that we have to do is we gotta take off. There's 2 clips that hold this thing up below and above, and then there's another Phillips in here. So we're gonna go ahead and take the Phillips out first. Store it. And then we're gonna use our other tool. The last thing you wanna do is take off these right here. This is definitely the hardest part to do in this process. What you have to do is you gotta get it in there, and then once you have it in there, you wanna pull it towards you. Don't feel too scared like you're gonna break it. It's designed to be like that, so you wanna put it right in between this lock and the frame, the plastic frame. So you wanna get it in there, and you pull it, and you wanna do the same thing underneath. In there, and you pull it. When you do that, hold it like this, that should come out. Save this part. Okay, so now that we have all the screws out, the only thing we have left is we're gonna grab this thing. It's held by clips like this to the window, so you have to grab it from 2 parts, lift it up, and out it goes. There's gonna be 1 cable for this light, so make sure you take that off as soon as it comes out. Ready? Do it. Okay, so now that you have it out, last thing is gonna be this cable. So you wanna push it out. There you go. Put your door to the side. And now you have everything exposed. And that is how you finish that process. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the button. We got plenty of content coming out every week, so stay tuned. Check out the Instagram, check out the TikTok. Thank you for watching. Peace out.